Hey Khalil, happy birthday. I love you. I want to tell you that I'm so proud of you and that you are the best kid a mom can ask for, okay? I love you with all my heart forever and always. Hope you have a great birthday. Mwah.
What up, Khalil? Happy birthday, man. Turn the Big 10. Man, I love you. Hope you have fun today. So celebrate.
That's my heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Happy birthday, Daddy Man.
Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Happy birthday! We love you. We know you're 10. It's a big number.
Happy birthday, Khalil. I hope you have a great birthday weekend.
Damn.
Happy birthday, Khalil. It's your 10th year. Let's get it, twin.
Happy birthday, Khalil. Wish you long life and prosperity. May Almighty Allah give you wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Enjoy your day.
Hey Khalil, happy birthday Khalil. Auntie loves you. I wish you many, many, many more beautiful years ahead. Long life and prosperity. Go Khalil, Big 10. You are a Big 10 now, okay? Auntie loves you. Go out there, get your education, make us proud. We're proud of you. We're proud of you, boy. You are a good boy. I love you. Mwah.
Hello, Khalil. This is Nana. Happy birthday, son.
I just want to wish you so much happiness and love on your special day. May all of your dreams come true. I love you. Happy birthday.
Love you.
We love you.
We love
you, Khalil.
Bye.
Bye.
Khalil, happy birthday from your Auntie Erica. I love you so much. I'm so proud of you. You're the Big 10 now. You know we got to celebrate. Taking a shot of some sparkling water when we get home. I love you.
This message is for Khalil. Happy 10th birthday. Here's to many more birthdays. You know, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, enjoy your food, enjoy everything, enjoy life. Happy birthday, young man.
Happy 10th birthday, Khalil. Almighty Allah bless you. Almighty Allah increase your knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. May you be a blessing to your generations, to your parents, to everyone around you. In the name of Almighty Allah. Do have a wonderful birthday. Auntie loves you so, so much. Have a wonderful birthday celebration, baby.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.